Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials and the Green Engineers, and welcome back to my DIY Metal Router 2 series. So here we have the air-cooled spindle and the base selected. I found a couple similar 800-watt spindles, and it actually says that they are indeed a little bit shorter than what I thought they were. For example, this one's 198 millimeters. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what millimeters I set on there. And then we could set that. So let's look here. But it might be bigger at the end to put the fan in there. That's probably what that is. Yeah, so this is quite a bit smaller. This is 198 millimeters. So 198 millimeters. That's it's about 7.8 inches versus. So it's about 0.8 inches, about 3/4 to 0.8 inches shorter than this one. But this one is water cooled. As you see at the end there, so it's probably not exactly the same. But anyways, okay, so we have the base, we have the pattern for the 15CA ECR, so, and we have the bolt hole size. So obviously we're going to have to do some research on what size head will fit in there of a cap head screw, and not be too big for that hole, and also give a slight tolerance so that if these aren't perfectly in line, if I don't get the vise perfectly in line on the mill, that I'll still be able to get it inside the hole there. So basically the biggest screw that I could get where the cap will fit, but just have a little bit of room so that I could get it in there. Okay, so basically what we're going to do, let's go ahead and just start modeling the HG20CA high wind rail. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have them be separate. We're going to have the HGR, the rail be one piece and the rest of it be another piece. So let's go ahead and start that. So let's save this, and this is going to be the HDH20CA. This is the block, if I can't remember. Okay, and then let's go ahead and go on the front. Okay, so let's go ahead and look down here. So basically we're going off this drawing here. Let's go ahead and Control plus, move that all the way in. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do a rectangle here. And then this is all in millimeters, so we might as well dump this to millimeters. And here W20CA, W is 44 on the top. 44 millimeters, and the height is 30 millimeters. Okay, and then the width of this bar from the center here as it comes up, the width of this bar. And actually what we'll probably do is I'll probably just cut this out, save it, so print screen, and then we'll just calibrate and we'll get it really close, because again this is just going to symbolize the rail. It's not for, I mean, this top piece is going to be exact, but obviously the rail is just going to symbolize closely what it is, so it's not too important. Oops. So let's go in here and type in paint, paste this, go to this side, and what we'll do is we'll just do this, crop that file, save as JPEG to the same images. This is going to be HGH20CA block and rail. Technically it's block and rail. So let's go ahead and import that into the software. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stop this. We're going to go back to the front and we're going to insert a canvas, select HDR block to the front and make sure it looks right. Let's just kind of move it in sort of close to center of mass, not quite, doesn't have to be perfect, but we wanted to get it close to perfect. I guess it right there is fine. Okay. So, and let's go ahead and go back here and let's go ahead and calibrate this canvas. Calibrate. And let's just go from here to there. Actually, let's do something that's sort of right here, right there. I got a little bit of tangent there, but that's fine. W is 44. Boom. Okay, so now let's step forward. Let's go ahead and delete this. And let's go with kind of this guy here. So here to there, about, and then this obviously has to be exact because we're bolting stuff up to this stuff. And you can see it's really, really close. And this height again is 30. Oh, so it's actually up to there. Oh yeah, this is the lip in front. So that's 30, so that's actually how it's supposed to be. And then what we're gonna do, I mean this is really unnecessary, but you get the idea. It's just going to give us a better guess for weight. Let's just go down here. And let's just go across here. And it's up there. And then I'm just going to do sketch, mirror. Oops. And mirror. Then all we're going to do is do that. And then we're going to extrude this way. And this is extruding this way L, which is 77.5 millimeters. And there it is. Go turn this off. I'm pretty sure this is steel or cast iron or something with a little bit of plastic. So 77.5, okay. And then just got a weird point right there. I don't know what that point's for. Oh, it's another sketch. This sketch, I think. Let's go ahead and delete that sketch. Alright, so that's it right there. So let's go ahead and save that. And then this is the HDR 20. Then we're going to do another picture on the front. And we're going to import the same canvas, select image, HDR block. Get it kinda. Ooh, there we go. That's way in the center. Just go like that. And then we're going to do the same deal with canvas. Calibrate. We're going to go from here to here again. And that is width, I think is 40, right? Yeah, 40 millimeters. I'm going to change everything to millimeters. Remove this canvas. Somewhat close. Sorry, my stomach a little bit there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some line drawing here. Okay, and then this is basically going to be 25 inches long. So we're going to do mirror. This one, 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 and this one. And we're going to do mirror across. Okay, stop. Hide canvas. Hide sketch is okay. I'm going to do extrude 25 inches. And there you go. We don't. We could do the holes. So let's go from one end to the other end. Let's do the holes. Just to get it close to what we're looking for. So E is the start. E is 20 millimeters. And then a point. Point. Okay, and then we got it every, what is it? Every P, which is 60 millimeters. 60 millimeters. And put in a point. Oops. Put in a point. Okay, so now we're going to do rectangular pattern. This one and this one. Directions this way. And not extent, but spacing. These are all spaced 60 millimeters. Okay, this one's going to just be one. Okay, let's go the other direction then. Not quantity though, but 60 millimeters. Quantity. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. And that's fine. Bam. Stand by sending text. Okay. And then let's go ahead and drill. Or we go in here, edit sketch. Yeah, let's just do this. Circle, circle. D is 9.5. Definitely a better way to do this, because should have did that when I patterned it. I think I could still edit the pattern, add it. Oh, I needed it there. Circle. go. Okay. And then the depth of that is little h, which is 8.5. Let's go back to this. Okay, so I don't have to do construction line on this one. Just go here, edit. There we go. Oh, what? I could just select them first and then do construction line. Construction line. So when I do the H, which is 8.5 down, I could do it really quickly. Okay. Going to consume that sketch, but let's pop that sketch back up and let's drill some holes. Create hole. Boom, 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 boom. This will allow us to make sure everything fits right in the end, so we don't have any surprises. Everything is inside the CAD. We don't have any issues. Little d is 6. Big D is 9.5, little d is 6. Little d is 6 millimeters. Distance through all. Bam. And there we go. Now we hide the sketch. And there it is, HGR. And I'm going to go ahead and close this. Reason being, I want to name this rail. Rail. Okay, so now we got the block and the rail. So, let's put on the block the hole pattern. Let's go back to the block and let's put the hole pattern on it. Uh-oh. Okay, so let's go back to the block here. Okay, so it's going to be BC. Oh, this is on the side here. Alright, so from the center, rectangle, center, let's draw an arbitrary center line. Here, construction line, so it doesn't cause issues later. Okay, so now let's go ahead and lock this in here. I mean, technically it doesn't have to be locked in. Let's do that. Alright, so this is C, which is 36 for a 20 CA. And they're relatively close together. And then this is from the side view here. This is a side view. And then we have B, which is from point to point. Which is width. And B, which is, they have B and B1. B1 is from the edge, so B is 36. B is 32. 32 millimeters, like so. Okay, then on the edges of those we're going to put points. Uh-oh. See if I left the sketch, it looks like. Same deal here. Oops. Now we'll make this construction line. I think that says M by 7, I think. Did it say it on here? Oh, it says M by I. So each one's different. So this is M5 by 6 millimeters. So let's go ahead and do that. But it looks like it's got a little bit of clearance, which is H3, which is the depth of the hole. So let's go ahead and finish this, and let's go ahead and, oops, view. See, I moved this thing a little bit, so let's reset. So let's go here to create hole, boom, 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 boom. And we're going to do threaded tapped hole and offset. So this is 6 millimeters down and 5 by 6. Well, technically that's not. We just could say that it's threaded all the way through. What is H2? Okay, so let's see, H2 is 6. So it's like got like another millimeter of clearance, I think is what it's telling us. Oh, that's to the nipple for greasing. We don't care about that. So H3 is the depth. So this is just M5. What? M5, so it must be just a regular M5. I'm thinking coarse. Because here is basically what it's saying, is it's saying M5 by 6, but there's no M5 by 6. Usually it's here, so 0.8. There's no M5 by 6. So that must mean it's depth, and H3 is the depth of the hole. Wait. Or is it depth of the side hole? I mean, it looks very close. So H3 is 7. So theoretically it's saying we have 1 inch clearance. And 1 millimeter. So what I'm thinking is that this is 6 and then this is 7 millimeters. The hole depth. Oh, this is the offset. So this offset is 0. 0 from the top. 7 down. Sorry, 6 down. 6 down, and then this is 7. 7. There we go. Let's go ahead and model it. Yeah, it's basically all the same. Okay. So now we have it modeled. Alright, so that's basically what it looks like. Not a problem. Alright, so now we have this, this, and this. So we do our standard thing here. And so let's go ahead and look at an assembly to possibly create. So let's go ahead and start adding this stuff to an assembly. So let's go ahead and go here. And just call this general assembly. Oh, almost have 30 minutes already. And let's go ahead and add this, start adding the stuff in here. I don't think I need that. I don't think I need that. So let's go ahead and add that, it's fine. And this base, let's go ahead and set it as a anchor. I thought there was an anchor here. I guess it's a rigid group or something. Oh, ground, there we go. Alright, so now let's drop in the rail. And I believe, yeah, this part's on the ground here. So let's go ahead and get this guy, anchor it, snap it. And I believe it snaps to here. And flip it so it works in the right spot. Oops. And let's go ahead and flip it. And I love when it does this. There we go. Wow, that rail's big. Okay. Let's hide all joints. We don't need to see that stuff. Let's drop another one. Okay. Anchor. Let's grab it here. And so far we do not have any issues with machining. Everything here is easy to machine. So that's good. As far as manually everything looks good. So cool beans. All right, so what do we got so far? As far as weight, make sure this is in inches. Properties, we have 565 ounce mass, so 565 divided by 16, 35 pounds currently. So this table, I'm saying we could do up to 200 pounds. That's probably the ideal. Obviously 200 pounds is going to cost you a lot of weight in aluminum. So there's that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop the blocks in. And again here, we're only going to need 2 blocks in actuality. So let's go ahead and joint this. And this one's going to be a little bit different. So let's go ahead and joint it there. Let's joint it on the top. And let's give it a rotation there. You can see it's a little bit off. But you get the idea. Oh, the height is all the way to the bottom of the rail. That's where I made a mistake. Whoopsies. That's why that didn't line up in this image here. So the actual height is h minus h1. H minus h1, 30 minus 4.6. So it's 30 minus 4.6. That's the actual height. Is that 30? 30 minus 4.6. Yeah, that's it. Let's look at that canvas again. Okay, something is not right here. This is supposed to go down to there. What is it when it goes down to there? What the heck? I mean, that's the theoretical correct height there. But let's see. So this distance to this distance is supposed to be 30. Let's calibrate this guy again. Something not right here. We calibrate this here. Oh, you know what that could be? That could be a completely different block. That's probably why we're having that issue. So it's actually a different block. Okay, so this is supposed to be 30. Wait, why is this so short then? Oh. So yeah, so down all the way here is 30. And then this should be going up into it. Does it show where the top of the rail is? Height of the rail. Height of the rail. H of the rail. HR, where's HR? Oh, that must be HR. 17.5. So this is supposed to be 17.5. I don't know what happened here. Oh, this is the wrong spot. For right now, at least. Let's go ahead and trim that. There's a trim on here, right? Somewhere? Or just delete it. And this. Okay, so now this should be 30. Or height of the rail should be 17.5. Whoa. Yeah, because there's a coincide here, I think, somewhere. No, not there. What the? Okay, so let's stiffen some of this stuff up here. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? I mean, really, the shape doesn't. Oh shit! The shape doesn't have much to do with it. And now I know I'm definitely way over time. Or 35 minutes. Okay. So that, and then the width of the rail is 15. No, 20. So this should be 20. Not 2. And this is also 20. But the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to go here, down to here. Straight down. We're going to get rid of this. It's going to be 10 here. No. Is it moving it? No, it's fine. It's constrained. But we're going to make this. Same deal here. This. It's all with respect to one another. Whatever, that's fine. What the heck? Get rid of that. Go. Whatever, that's good for right now. Actually, I don't know why I'm messing with that. That's not even in the actual block there. But let's double check, make sure all of this stuff is right. So from here down should be 30. There we go. That's fine, I don't care. Okay, it's the same deal here now. Let's just fix this and then we'll call it good. We're gonna do another freaking 40-minute video here. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna do some height of the rail stuff here. Height of the rail is 17.5. Sorry, 20. No, just 17.5. 17.5. Width of the rail is 10 here. 10 here. Same deal here. 10 here. Yeah. Cool deal. Anything else? That's fine. Okay, so let's just do this one. And do this one. General assembly. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna edit this. Oh, okay. I did not delete that. Save. Okay, I'll take it. And update. Let's go ahead and edit joint. Put it to where it looks kinda how it's supposed to be. Okay, then what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and do a sketch on this backside here and make sure that this is indeed 30 millimeters. Project this. Before I forget to do this. Okay, 30 millimeters, so let's bring it in 5.19. Let's go here, edit joint, bring this in. Let's go ahead and leave it. What was it again? 5.19. This is X. Okay, so it's not that way. So that is the actual. So that's actually what it's supposed to look like. So obviously that piece needs to go in there. But it's just, oops, that's just aesthetic. But it's very crucial. All right, so we have that. Let's go ahead and fix this really quick. Let's move this in, and then this is going to be a slider that way. Just like that. Alright, so this has been it for this video. This has been Steven from Legit Tech-Torials and the Green Engineers. I'd like to thank you guys for following along with this DIY Metal Router 2, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.